Please welcome Etaf Alburai, who is a protagonist in the film, in Jošta Franka, direktorja fotografije. Jaz bi samo v publiki pozdravila še avtorja glasbe Matevža Kolenca. Pa ne nazadnje, kljub temu, da žal ni z nami, avtorica filma Nika Autor, en velik aplavz, da ga bo mogoče slišala. I will tell the people, malo bomo govorili tudi po angleško, we shall speak a little bit in English, malo bomo govorili slovensko.
I'm so sorry because I can speak little English, not native, not
yes, so can
fluent,
I, me too. Če bi kdo rabil prevod, bom jaz prevajala, pa kar povejte. But perhaps first a question for Jošt, because of the beginning of the film. Kad je Bojana povedala, kako se je začel film, bi pa tebe vprašala, kako sta potem z Niko postopala. Sta se usedla na vlak in šla iskat lokacije?
Najprej v imenu Nike se zelo, zelo lepo pozdravljam. And a very big thank you to Etaf in Nika's name. Sem tekom ustvarjanja sva se usedla na vlak, ampak mislim, da je bilo za oba od naju to en izmed najlepših projektov, ki sva jih imela priložnost delati. Mogoče zaradi vsega optimizma, s katerim se zgodba začne, in hkrati z nekim upozorilom, kako se konča. Sploh, ker govorimo o kontekstu Palestine, pač zgodba se konča mesece pred Nakbo in pred začetkom 70 let tega trpljenja palestinskega ljudstva. Tako da, toliko z moje strani.
Še eno vprašanje. Tako se zdi, da so posnetki posneti ob ali zelo zgodaj zjutraj ali pa zvečer, sploh te pokrajine, ne? A sta imela kakšen koncept ali?
Zelo zgodaj so ostajala, pa zelo pozno so spat sedela, ker so snemala v pač poletnem soncu, ki je težek za snemati.
Ja, ne, čudoviti posnetki so.
Mislim, res pa sem imela lepo med ustvarjanjem tega filma, tako da,
Etaf, please tell us, how did you meet Jošt and Nika, and how did they persuade you to cooperate with them?
How I met Jošt, it's a story, it's a magic story. I know Jošt in my apartment in Gaza Strip in Palestine. Jošt came to Palestine to cover the war where Israel started against Gaza in 2014. And he came 2 years in 2014 and 2019. And when he came to Palestine, he worked with my son and my daughter, Ahmed and Iba. And he became best friend with my family, with all my family. I know him in my apartment. He come to visit me in my apartment. So he returned. When he finished his work, he returned to Slovenia. It's I didn't believe in my dream that I will see him in any day. So when my Muhammad became refugee in Slovenia, and he made a paper for me and for his wife and kids, I came to Slovenia 3 months ago. And I see Jošt in philanthropy by chance. But all the time my daughter in London, Iba, his friend, all the time she told me that, my mom, I will call Jošt to see you. I told her that I will find him alone. When I go to Philanthropia, when I go to Philanthropia, in Philanthropia, there is a beautiful journalist, Christina, maybe in this, with the people. She called me, this is my son friend, my family friend, Christina. She called me, Ataf, come to, I want to, to show you my journalist, beautiful Yosh. And, when she told me Yosh, I looked to him. Yosh, when he came to Palestine, he is youngest. He is maybe 20 years only. After 8 years or 10 years, he became yeah. And I looked to him the same taller, and he changed, but the color eyes, Yosh, I catch his hand and go far away the people and ask him, did you came to Palestine in 2014? Yes. Do you know Ahmed and Iba? Mido, yeah. Their mother, and I cry and he cry, and we call Iba in London, and we talk. We and me and Yosh and Iba, and this is a magic story. This is in the tree, in my dream. I can't find him alone in Philanthropia through Christina, beautiful journalist. And Yosh work in Philanthropia and see him all the time. He is my family friend and became me and him is best friend. I guess so, I love him so much, so much. I decided to be in this film because I believe in Yosh and Nika, both of them. I know Yosh well, and I know him and his belief in humanitarian issues everywhere in the world, including my Palestinian issue. So I decided to be with their film, and this is. Thank you very much.
When did you see the film first? You didn't see it now for the first time.
This is the first time.
Yes.
Yeah.
And
but Nick is right. Right in the Facebook, and I read the story. I take an idea about the film, about the story of the film.
Did you now feel connection with you, your life, and the film, like we feel the connection with the film?
The film is, it's a beautiful idea in the beginning, and I look to the film that it's a beautiful work, and the idea is beautiful because all the youngest women and all the women and the men work with this to make the railway from a lot of countries, and Palestinian share with this work. Palestine, I want to tell you that Palestinian all the time when they wanted to share all experience with the people where they stay in the country, and they all the time they want to make positive works. At this, I can speak little English. I'm very sorry. This is.
Bi mogoče kdo iz publike kaj vprašal ali pa kaj povedal, kakšno misel? Jož, pol bi pa še tebe vprašala, koliko časa sta v resnici snemala, pa potem, a sta tudi spoznavala kakšne ljudi, a je neka kakšne intervjuje delala, ali sta v resnici šla tako nekako po poti, kakor nas pelje tudi film?
Nisem se snemala, mislim, da je bilo nekih snemalnih dni, 14 dni ali pa 3 tedne, pa pač eno leto researcha vzadej. Ljudi pa nekako ni bil namen, da intervjujajo ljudi, smo pa jih intervjuvali zaradi samega researcha, tekom poti pa sva seveda spoznala in doživela ful nekih zgodb.
Ker namreč potem se je zgodila še ena delovna akcija, ker so pa otroci od te generacije naprej gradili progo, to Šamac Sarajevo, pa je tudi lepa zgodba, tako da mogoče lahko še kakšen del filma. Would you like to add something still?
Yani, I want to talk that this work is beautiful. This work is made the life of the people is easier than in the past, and I'm proud of this woman or the all Palestinians sharing their experience with the people, and to make something beautiful. And I want to talk that in Slovenia, not in Slovenia, in Yugoslavia, there is a lot of students came to study in the universities in Yugoslavia. Where's Tito? We know Tito is their Yugoslavia, and there is a friendship with Egypt, Abdel Nasser, and India, and the Middle East. So a lot of people, a lot of students, when they finished their study, some of them returned to Palestine. Some of them married women from Yugoslavia and made families. And a lot of them, when they return, all their memories from this country is beautiful. They finished there as a doctor, as an engineers, as all this.
How come
They told all the people in Gaza or in Palestine about this.
It was strong connections. Yeah. How come that you came to Slovenia first? Are you staying in Slovenia now, or are you going? Yeah,
me?
You.
I came to Slovenia 2 years and 3 months ago, and I want to stay in Slovenia. Because this is if I thinking about return to Palestine in this time, this bad situation in Gaza Strip, because all of you watch the TV and know how Israel is bombed everything in Gaza Strip, and she cut all she bombed the life in Gaza Strip, the stone and the people and all of this everything, hospitals, streets, everything, and she cut the water, cut the electricity, cut the food, she killed the children, she killed everything. This is very bad situation in Gaza. So I decided I will stay. I love Slovenia because you're in Slovenia. And about all of them, and philanthropy, Jozd and Neka and his family. I feel that Jozd is with Neka is my family in Slovenia. Yeah.
Je mogoče kakšno vprašanje zdaj? Sicer bi jaz Joštu in Niki zaželela lepo pot filma, pa tudi eno svetlejšo prihodnost, ki jo rabimo. I would like to thank you. I would like to wish you freedom for your people as soon as possible. Yes. In tudi hvala vam, da ste prišli. Upam, da se vidimo še v kinu, da se vidimo na Mestu žensk. Povabila bi vas tudi na pogostitev v Preddverju, pa še ena majčkena presenečenje.